Hello everyone, my name is Jose, and today I'm going to prepare a delicious and easy fruit salad. For this recipe we need some fruits and a few other ingredients. For the fruit salad we need 2 apples, 2 bananas, 1 orange, a few strawberries, some grapes, and some yogurt. We have countable nouns such as apples, bananas, oranges, strawberries, and grapes. We also have uncountable nouns such as yogurt. First, I wash all the fruits. Then, I cut the apples into some small pieces. After that, I peel the bananas and cut them into slices. Next, I peel the orange and separate it into small pieces. Then, I put all the fruits into a large bowl. I add a few strawberries and some grapes. After that, I mix all the fruits carefully. Next, I add some yogurt to the fruit. I mix everything together. There are a few strawberries and some grapes, which are countable nouns. There is some yogurt and a little honey, which are uncountable nouns. Finally, I put the fruit salad in a small bowl. Now, the fruit salad is ready to eat. It looks colorful, fresh, and delicious. As you can see, this recipe is very easy to prepare. This recipe uses both countable and uncountable nouns to describe the ingredients and quantities. Thank you for watching my recipe video. See you next time. Bye.